Alright, adventurers, we are about halfway in. Part one's done. On the map, this road that I'm about to take doesn't join up, but it's not only does it does that, it's actually the main road. So I'm really happy about that. Got to go to Vincent's Lookout. So far, really excited for this ride. It's going to be so good. We're about an hour and a half in. The map says an hour, about an hour and a half. That includes a couple of stops and detours, so it's looking pretty damn good. And yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen, that rock, which finished me up about here by the looks of that. Anywho, my son reckons I'm an expert at picking the wrong line. Well, he's bloody right. Check this out. Check this out, boys and girls. Don't know if you can see how bent that is, but that ain't right. Nor is that chunk there. So basically, if I didn't have that plate on, I would have just taken out half my exhaust, taken my header off, and put a bloody great big hole in my motor, which would suck because it's a bloody long walk from here. Anywho, onwards and upwards. Ooh, that was interesting. Looks like plan B. Up to Flat Rock, things are looking good, really good. Like, just such a nice day out. But things get really treacherous fast after that. I'm not convinced that people on bikes bigger than mine or with tyres less aggressive than mine are going to find that enjoyable. I don't know. I was on a little 250 with full knobbies, yeah. But I'm not convinced people will enjoy it, and we're going out to enjoy it. So I'm going home to check out the maps. We might just have to do a backtrack from Flat Rock. We'll see how we go. Anyway, so when you buy the KTM 390 Adventure, it comes with a plastic sump guard, bash plate, and you can pay more and get an aluminium one, which is called a power part, which is what I did, and that's probably a good thing. Otherwise I would not have a lower engine casing at the moment. Check this out. It looks normal. That's not the right shape, folks. Let's have a look. What could be the problem? Oh yeah, that might have done it. Check that out. So that is not exactly what one of these is supposed to look like. So we're just taking it off so we can bash it back into shape. And that mark there on my engine casing could have been a hell of a lot bigger. I, for one, think it was worth the extra money.